Implementing WorldPay 3D Secure is a straightforward process that enhances the security of online transactions. To begin, it is essential to understand what 3D Secure is. It is a protocol designed to provide an additional layer of security for online credit and debit card transactions. The first step in implementing WorldPay 3D Secure is to register for a WorldPay account and obtain an installation ID. This ID is unique to your business and is required to access the WorldPay system. Once you have your installation ID, you can start integrating WorldPay 3D Secure into your website. This involves adding a payment form to your checkout page that includes fields for the customers' card details and a button to initiate the 3D Secure authentication process. When the customer clicks the button, they are redirected to the card issuer's website where they enter a password or complete a biometric authentication. If the authentication is successful, the customer is redirected back to your website where the transaction can be completed. To handle the redirection and authentication process, you need to use a WorldPay API. The API provides a set of functions that you can use to initiate the 3D Secure authentication and handle the response from the card issuer. One of the key concepts to understand when implementing WorldPay 3D Secure is the difference between frictionless and challenge authentication. Frictionless authentication occurs when the customer is not required to complete a challenge, such as entering a password, because the card issuer has already verified their identity. Challenge authentication, on the other hand, requires the customer to complete a challenge to verify their identity. Best practices for implementing WorldPay 3D Secure include ensuring that your website is compliant with the latest security standards and that you are using the most up-to-date version of the WorldPay API. You should also test your implementation thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly and provide clear instructions to your customers on how to complete the 3D Secure authentication process. In conclusion, implementing WorldPay 3D Secure is an effective way to enhance the security of online transactions and reduce the risk of fraud. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a seamless and secure payment experience for your customers.